Stock investing for beginners. I made over 12,000 in one day. Most of the profits came from Facebook Meta stocks, more than 5,000. I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons why Facebook Meta stock jumped. Should we buy, hold, or sell? If you haven't bought Meta stock yet, is it too late to buy now? That's what we are gonna look at today. Facebook Meta stock jumped over 10% over the past 5 days after earnings was announced. It's up over 160% year to date. 1 year is up 100%. 5 years 83.08%. It dropped a lot, but it came back up again. That was incredible. Maximus is up 751%. Look at this chart, V-shape. Why did Meta stock jump? Meta reports better than expected result and issues optimistic guidance for third quarter. Reported double-digit revenue growth for the first time since fourth quarter 2021. That was quite significant. The company's forecast for the third quarter was better than analysts were expecting. Let's look at the numbers. Earnings 2.98 per share versus expected 2.91. Revenue 32 billion versus 31.12 billion expected. And daily active user DAU 2.06 better than 2.04. Monthly active user MAUs 3.03 billion versus 3 billion, so it's better. ARPU, average revenue per user 10.63 versus 10.22, so everything was better. That's why stock jumped. Number 3 reason why the stock jumped: revenue increased 11% from a year earlier, the first time the company has reported double-digit growth. So it came back. Everybody was expecting Meta was going down. They can never earn more than 10% revenue growth, not anymore because of Apple privacy changes and economy, everything. So now it's a short. It came back really fast. So that's why the stock jumped. And Facebook parent company forecast third quarter revenue of 32 billion to 34.5 billion. Expectation was 31.3 billion, so it's better than expectation. When the company forecasts better than expectation, the stock usually jumps. Not always, but usually. This suggests growth of at least 15% from a year earlier. So that's incredible. That's number 2 reason. What is number 1 reason? Number 1 reason was expenses, expenditure. Basically, the company is now forecasting 27 billion to 30 billion capital expenditures, down from the estimate of 30 billion to 33 billion. So Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook Meta gave investors what they wanted. They wanted Facebook Meta to cut costs, and they laid off a lot of people. See, now it's working. The stock came back up again. That's why I want you to invest in stocks. If the company lays you off, the stock jumps. So if you invest in Metas, you are a Meta employees. Let's say you get laid off, you will still be fine because you get laid off, you get unemployment benefits, and plus your investment Meta will have jumped quite a lot, more than 3 times. Can you believe that? So that's how you become rich. Rich people get richer. But if you never invested in stocks, Meta stocks, you will never have gain from your layoff. The reduced forecast is due to both cost savings on non-AI servers. You see, they are cutting costs on non-AI servers, so they're gonna be investing more in AI. AI is a big thing. Expenses in 2024 are expected to grow due to investment in data centers and artificial intelligence. Meta now says it plans to spend more on payroll expenses as the company evolves its workforce composition toward higher cost technical roles. You see, they are hiring higher technical roles, meaning AI capabilities, employees who have AI abilities. Always keep learning. That's why I invest in stocks. 100 years ago, everybody was investing in stock. The next 100 years, everybody's gonna be investing in stocks as well. What is stock investing? You invest in stocks. You are buying stocks of the company, so you become the owner of the companies. If the company you invest in innovates and get better, your stock price gonna go up. More revenue, more net income, more cash inflow. The stock price will keep going up, and stock investing will not go away for some time. It doesn't matter how the technology changes. If you invest in technology companies or great companies, you are owning the innovations. Let's look at, should we buy, hold or sell? Is it already too late? We're gonna look at the chart. This is Bollinger Band. The stock price usually fluctuates between the top and the below Bollinger Band. If it reaches the top, it comes back down again. That it reaches the top now. So right now may not be a good time to buy because it hit the top. Fundamentally, Facebook Meta stock is fairly valued, so it's not so overpriced or undervalued. So I'm okay fundamentally. But technically, I might not buy right now. Actually, I sold Facebook, as you already saw my profits, and I still have a lot of Facebook Meta stock. It did not mean that I did not believe in the company, I did not like the stocks. It just meant that I have some other place, some better stocks or options to invest in. So I sold my stocks. I still keep a lot of Meta stocks. Look at this, up, down, up, down. You see, every time it hit the top, it came back. Every time it hit the top, it came back. It hit the top, it came back. Of course, sometimes it may take some time for the stock price to come back down again. Back. Don't worry about it. Whatever goes up quite a lot in a short time, they're gonna come back down. If you want to think about buying a stock, you need to think about 2 or 3 types of investment. Let's look at Tesla stock. Tesla PE ratio is 75.64 and it's up quite a lot, and most importantly, it's fundamentally overvalued. Meta stock PE ratio is only 38.97. Most importantly, it's fundamentally fairly valued, so it's not so overvalued. And it's not because Tesla is only up 146.40%. Meta is up 160.93%. So Meta must be a bad investment. No, you don't look at it that way. If you are buying $1 million house at 500,000 price, then your house goes up to 800,000. Will you sell your house? No, because you know that the value of your house is $1 million. So you're not gonna sell your house at 800,000, 900,000, or 999,000. You're gonna sell your house only $1 million and above, because you know that anything more than 1 million is overvalued. Buyers are paying more for your house value, so you're gonna sell. Stock is the same way. If Meta is fairly valued and Tesla is overpriced, of course it's better to sell Tesla. If you are thinking about buying Meta, this is my opinion, not a financial advice. I'd rather buy Meta because it's fairly valued and it still has room to grow. 5 years, Meta used to be $378, around there. Tesla, the margin is gonna be shrinking for the short term. Meta, margin could become larger. That's the difference. And personally, I like Meta better than Tesla because even though Tesla is an AI or technology company, it's still in automobile business. So I personally don't like automobile so much. I like technology, social media, communication much better. So that's why I'm gonna choose Meta. Would I buy it right now? No, I have enough. If you have Meta enough in your portfolio, let's say you have more than 20%, then you might probably think about, maybe you should probably think about holding or selling, because if it's more than 10%, it's too risky. And if it's less than 10% or 10%, you're just okay. Either you can buy or you can hold. It really doesn't matter. This is what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking out loud. Will I buy it personally right now? No, I'm not gonna buy it. I just sold it, and I'm gonna put that money into other better stocks or options, or maybe I might wait for a crash or a corrections to buy back again later. Or the other way you can do is you can sell options, or you can buy options if you want, but you don't want to buy call option right now because it's at the top of the Bollinger Band. Just wait for the pullback, then you buy call option or you buy stocks, whatever that you prefer. Pullback is important. You never want to buy at the top. What is most important thing is you only buy great companies. That's how you make 12,000 in profits in one day. How do you know if it's a great company? Let's look at Macy. Year to date is down 22.92%. 5 year is down 55.52%. Maxima is down 39.47%. Do you see the difference? The Meta year to date 160.93 and 83.08. Maxima 751%. It's up. Meta is up. Macy is going down. You see, 5 years going down. There is no clear uptrend for the Macy. And 1 year is down. See, year to date. And let's look at AMC. AMC stock year to date is up. Yeah, right. You never look at only 1 year. You look at 5 years. 72.94% down. So downtrend stock. Maxima is down. Of course, it's spiked right here because of speculation, but you can never bet on speculation. You can never get rich on speculation. Even if you do get rich on speculation, you might lose the next day, and you have a higher chance of losing money on speculation than investing in great companies. Let's look at AT&T. Year to date is down 22.89%, and 5 year is down 40.60%. Maxima is stay up, but it's not clear uptrend. You see, it's coming back down, but it never went back up again. So I don't like stocks like this. That's the easiest way. If you want to know further, you need to look at their financial statements, balance sheet. How about their cash flow? Is their cash flow going up? I can guarantee you 100% the cash flow of these stocks companies are going down. That's why their stock price is going down. They are not profitable, or their profits are going down. That's the only reason why stock prices are going down and all going up. Cash flow, profits, balance sheet, very, very important. But the easiest way is just look at the stock price. If it's going up, it may be a great company, and you just need to dig deeper. If you have any question, comment down below. If you are just starting out, you can open an account at any stockbroker. The link is gonna be in the description comment. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.